Hello, my name is Thomas and today I'll be helping you familiarize yourself with your Air Cadet uniform. I'll be adding other links throughout this video to training such as how to polish your boots or how to iron your uniform. Let's start from the ground up. Here are the issued footwear for the Air Cadet dress uniform. They are officially called ankle boots, but you might hear them referred to as dress boots or other names. Sometimes they are classified by different styles or the generations, such as Gen 1s or Gen 2s. Here are your wool socks. They are itchy. You can't change that, but if they're too uncomfortable, you can always wear a pair of sports socks underneath. These are your dress pants, properly called your trousers. When you first receive them, they might not be the proper length. You will probably need to hem them so that they fall at the third lace on your boots. Your belt holds up your trousers and keeps your shirt tucked in. You will need to learn how to adjust this belt to the correct length. The nice thing about these belts is you can get special buckles like this one I got at Cadet, Canada's military store. Just make sure you check with your CO or staff to make sure the buckle is authorized. This is your dress shirt. I'm going to show you how to iron this uniform piece in another video. Personally, I find the shirt the most challenging ironing job. There are several accessories that go with your shirt, such as your name tag and rank slip-ons, also called epaulettes. Here's your t-shirt. We call these t-shirts elementals, as their color represents your element, such as Air Cadets. Honestly, this is your lowest maintenance uniform item, other than your socks. Neckties can be challenging to learn, but once you get it right, it is rewarding to complete a perfect Windsor knot in one go. Now this isn't your coat or jacket. This is called a tunic. This uniform piece has a number of accessories that need to be pinned and sewed on. The tunic is an important uniform piece as it is a way of recognizing all the hard work with your ranks and badges. To top it all off, you have your headdresses. Air Cadets are issued a wedge and a beret. Other headdresses are permitted for religious requirements. Please check with your CO or staff for more information. You will also be issued a parka. Depending on the weather, you may be able to use this as part of your uniform. Typically, if you're wearing a parka, you'll also be wearing your gloves and toque. The toque is a great thing to bring on an FTX, otherwise known as a field training exercise. A word of encouragement for you new cadets. Your uniform at first is a lot of responsibility. You have to remember how to properly iron it, polish your boots, sew, but don't worry, you will soon get a grasp on all of these concepts. Thank you for watching the video. I will also be posting other videos in my channel that go more into depth on these subjects. And like always, make sure you ask some questions in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them.